Hello, welcome to Leonor's Sweet Creations. Today we are going to make a very traditional Portuguese dessert, which is Arroz Doce. You call it, I think it's rice pudding or sweet rice. You let me know. For this recipe you will need 1 cup risotto rice, a little less than 1 cup sugar, 3 stripes or pieces of an orange or lemon peel, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon butter, between 1 and 1.5 liters whole milk, 3 large egg yolks, 1 pinch of salt and water. Put the rice, orange or lemon peel, the cinnamon stick, salt and butter in a pot and cover it all with water. Let it boil for about 5 minutes or until the rice has absorbed all the water. Cover the pot with the lid and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Under medium heat and stirring it constantly, add half till 1 cup of milk until the rice absorbs the milk. When it is absorbed, add another half till 1 cup of milk and stir it again. Repeat this process until you have used all the milk or until the rice is cooked, which should take about 30 minutes. Depending on the type of rice you use, you might need more or less milk. Important is that the rice is well cooked, which you can check by tasting it. Now add the sugar and mix it for about 1 minute until it's well integrated. Switch off the heat and add a bit of this mixture into the egg yolks, stirring it well so the eggs won't cook. Add it back to the pot and under low heat mix it well for about 1 minute. Have in mind that after it cools down, the rice pudding will thicken. Therefore, don't cook it too long and instead remove it from the heat while it is still a little bit liquid. This way it will end up nice and creamy. After removing it from the heat, fish the orange peel and cinnamon stick out and divide your delicious dessert between small bowls or pour it into a big dessert plate. Decorate it with thin stripes of cinnamon powder. I hope you try my recipe and let me know what you think about the Portuguese version of the rice pudding. I see you next week again. Bye bye. Hello, welcome to Leonor's Sweet Creations. Today we are making a very traditional Portuguese recipe dessert. Hello, welcome to Leonor's Sweet Creations. Today we are going to make a very traditional Portuguese dessert, which is sweet rice or rice pudding. Hello, welcome to Leonor's Sweet Creations. Today we are making a very traditional Portuguese dessert, which is milk rice. That's German. What a confusion.